Creating an EveryDollar budget is a straightforward process that helps you manage your finances effectively. To start, you need to understand the 50-30-20 rule, which allocates 50% of your income towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. First, gather all your financial documents, including pay stubs, bills, and bank statements. Next, calculate your total monthly income from all sources. Then, identify your necessary expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Assign a dollar amount to each category based on your historical spending data. Now, create a new budget plan in EveryDollar by setting up income and expense categories. Start by adding your income. Then create categories for necessary expenses, such as housing, transportation, and food. Assign a budgeted amount to each category based on the 50-30-20 rule. After setting up necessary expenses, create categories for discretionary spending, such as entertainment, hobbies, and travel. Again, assign a budgeted amount to each category based on your income and priorities. Finally, set up categories for saving and debt repayment, such as emergency funds, retirement savings, and credit card payments. As you fill out your budget, be sure to prioritize your expenses, focusing on the most important ones first. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline, but feel free to adjust the proportions based on your individual needs and goals. Remember to regularly review and update your budget to reflect changes in your income, expenses, and priorities. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive EveryDollar budget that helps you manage your finances, achieve your goals, and build a stronger financial future.